There may be times that you will need to flip or mirror a design. For example, when working with heat transfer vinyl or when you want to create a hinged shaped card. Canvas Workspace has options to flip designs both vertically and horizontally within a couple of taps. Both options are accessed through the Edit menu. When you want to flip a design, make sure that it is selected. Then go to your menu panel, tap on Edit, and then the flip options are presented towards the bottom left. The first icon is to flip horizontally, and the other option is to flip vertically. So if I tap on that one, you'll see that the word has now been flipped. If I do that again, this time flipping horizontally, you can see that the word has now been flipped upside down. As I mentioned, the use of this feature will depend on the project that you are creating, but that's how easy it is to do.